Most people, when they think about life insurance, they think of agents, they think of sales, maybe even a death benefit, maybe even tax-free income or even cash value growth if they know a little bit more. But almost no one talks about the person who makes all of that possible. Well, in my opinion, the most underrated power player in the entire industry is the Chief Investment Officer, or CIO, of a life insurance company. Now, let me explain. Most people are familiar with mutual fund managers. They invest your money into stocks or bonds. They try to beat the benchmark, and if they have a bad quarter, no big deal. You just pull out your money and you move on. Now, a Chief Investment Officer, they're managing billions, not just for growth, but also for guarantees. They don't have the luxury of missing, ever. Their job is to keep money liquid to meet policyholder demands. They grow stable, long-term returns to fund your cash value. That takes a whole different level of investing. So behind me is a capital reserve floor, the engine here of a 175-plus-year-old insurance company. And what happens here? Quietly, strategically, they're moving billions in bonds, commercial real estate, structured credit, private equity, mergers and acquisitions, and more. Not to chase returns, but to fulfill promises. Promises to families, promises to business, and to you, the policyholder. So here's where it gets deeper. When you fund a permanent life insurance policy to the max, to the non-MEC limit, you're not just buying insurance, you're plugging into the investment expertise of the CIOs and their teams and the billion-dollar portfolios they manage. That's why your money inside insurance policy can grow tax-deferred, access tax advantages via loans and withdrawals, stay protected from market losses, and transfer wealth without going through probate. So the next time someone tells you that life insurance is boring or outdated, tell them they don't know what goes on behind the scenes. Because while the fund managers play offense, CIOs and their investment teams, they play chess. Long-term, strategic, risk-controlled, and built to win over decades. And that's why smart people don't just put their money inside life insurance. They build legacies with it. So if you're curious of how these financial strategies and insurance strategies work, or how you can start building wealth with the people who've mastered it for 175 plus years, comment CIO here or DM me, and I'll show you what's possible.